few weeks ago, I hired an AI coworker called Viktor, not a chatbot, not an assistant, an actual coworker that lives in my Slack workspace. I gave it one project, build out my funeral security services directory from scratch, and honestly, the results blew me away. Victor researched and added over 160 security providers across the United States, the UK, and New Zealand. It connected to my Supabase database, cleaned up duplicates, and fixed missing data automatically. Then it wrote 3 professional outreach email templates, set up tags and workflows in my GoHighLevel CRM, and created 10 Google Ads images, all without me lifting a finger. But here's where it gets really impressive. I asked Victor to create a promo video using HeyGen, and it scripted it, generated it, designed a thumbnail, and uploaded everything to my YouTube channel, fully automated. This video you're watching right now, Victor made this too. The best part, it starts at just $50 a month. That's less than 1 hour of a virtual assistant's time. And Victor works around the clock, remembers everything, and gets better the more you use it. If you run a small business or an agency and you're drowning in tasks, give Victor a try. Link is in the description. Trust me, this is the future of getting things done.